From an old, small fishing village to a flourishing barangay is a piece of wonder and adrenaline waiting for you to discover. Ang Masamire at ang Bagbag Beach! 30 minutes away from the town proper, mararating na ang Masamire Beach sa Barangay Baybay Norte, where you can not only enjoy the picturesque view, but the place where you can feel your seafood cravings in a blink of an eye. May iba't ibang water activities like the famous Crystal Kayak na 400 pesos per hour at 250 pesos naman for the colored kayak. Tara guys, subukan natin yung lato-lato nila. Pero bago yan, safety first! Ready na ako! Let's go! Grabe, super enjoy yung experience ko dito sa lato-lato na to. Feeling ko talaga kapag pumitaw ka sa hawakan, talagang mapupunta ka dun sa dagat. Sual is a gateway for travelers talaga. Imagine, for only 1,000 to 5,000 pesos, you'll have a place to stay here. Perfect for backpackers, couples, and for family.
Maganda daw ang tanawin. 2.5 lang po ang isang room. May 1.5. Tignan nyo itong lugar namin. Sitio Masamire.
But if you have a budget and wants to experience the best island life, an 8,000 to 14,000 pesos wouldn't hurt for a cabana and beachfront resort.
Nagkakaroon po kami ng coastal cleanup po, and then ini-encourage rin po namin mga stakeholders natin dito. Minsan pati tourists po, nag-volunteer sila na magkaroon ng coastal cleanup drive po dito sa bayan. So inaanyahan po namin lahat ng turista na tara sa Sual.
Yung place niya, bukod sa malinis, tahimik, hindi siya masyadong crowded, kaya masarap mag-relax.
Worth it siya kasi peaceful talaga yung place.
Enjoying the slow and peaceful life at Masamire Beach made me wish more of this. (10 to 15 minutes from Masamire Beach, bubungad na ang Bagbag Beach, a place away from the hustle and bustle of life. May cottages din sila dito for you to rent. Malaking tipid for backpackers, solo travelers, at big groups. Na-derive ang pangalan ng Bagbag Beach sa Bagbag Tree na marami sa lugar na ito. But one thing I love about this place is 50 pesos lang ang environmental fee for the group of 10. Amazing!
Nagtingin kami ng maganda-ganda at saka medyo malayo sa amin na beach. And the place, medyo tahimik siya.
Aside from the fact na makikita natin clear ang water dito sa Bagbag Beach, makikita naman natin sa likuran ko o matatanaw natin ang ilan sa mga isla sa 100 Island. At makikita rin natin ang isang pinagmamalaki ng Sual, Pangasinan na Little Batanes of the North. A moment away from our busy life is what we crave for. A place where we can escape and let our worries fly. Truly, Sual searching is the best.
Galing